Hey, what's up, guys? This is Amin, and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel, Make Money with Amin. Today, I want to talk about social media automation. Yes, this is very important tutorial for freelancer, entrepreneur, or agency owner who is really want to create a automation for social media and 30 days automation in 5 minutes. Not for one company. If you are handling lots of company, like if you are running an agency, so this is very important for you because you can handle lots of clients with this tool. So I think this AI tool help you to make 30 days AI content, social media content in 5 minutes. So let's get started. So here is the website called Marky, and Marky is one of the best social media automation website. So if you want, you can easily automate your social media content, not for generate only for post, but if you want, it will post scheduling and definitely in your Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and other social media. So this is completely automation, not for post creating and like image generating, not for like this. It's completely automation. So I think this video is very helpful for you. If you think you are enjoying this video and if you want to get these kinds of videos, please hit the subscribe button and please like this video and watch this video start to end. Okay, the link in our description for the marquee, and I think you should click there to start the journey. Okay, so here it is. I want to go for the try for free and I want to see what's happened. So let's see. So when you will go this link, that times try to free, that time you should put your website. So I want to put my client website, so I want to see what's happened. So they are running a business like digital marketing agency, so I want to put their URL and I want to see what's happened. Okay, so this is my client website. So if you want to get any kinds of digital marketing service, so you can try RexDigi, because RexDigi is one of the best digital marketing agency, I think. So I want to copy this website link and I want to put here and I want to create business profile. Okay, and then I want to see what's happened. Okay, normally when you will put your website or your client website, that's time marquee just analyze your website completely start to end, and then they figure out what kinds of products you have and what kinds of service you want to sell. So after that, they think that this kinds of content will be best for you and they will generate some content for you. And if you want to scheduling, or if you want to create some post for it, and definitely you can define or you can rearrange all the things for the next time. So this is very important, I think, and I think this is completely this is the best option for the complete social media automation, not for social media post creator, not for social media image generator. This is completely automation system for social media. So here, so I want to skip to post and I want to see the automation system. So here is the guideline. Here marquee generated post for you, tell to your business, scheduling, publish, trust, or save post for later. The more you use marquee, the better it gets. So next I want to see what's happened. There is the edit your post with this, so you can easily edit your post. Definitely if you want, you can easily do it. In case if you want to change anything or change any hashtag or change any content, so you can easily change, and I want to click the next, and see the topic. You can set your topic for the different posts, and definitely that will help you. Also, I want to see the next option. This is the business profile. So control your market talks through your business profile. So definitely this is good, I think. And branding customization, if you want to branding your logo or something like that, also you want to change the color, your color, definitely you can use for every post. Okay, so this is very good, I think. And if you want to post for the scheduling, definitely this is very good option. So if you are planning for the next 30 days post, and definitely you can define here for the post time and day. So definitely marky will help you to post automated, and it keeps going so daily. So this is very important, I think, and this is very good news for the social media or freelancer, entrepreneur or agency owner. So this is good, I think. And finally you should just see the post, and I want to see my post. Here is the post for this one, and they marky already just analyzed the agency website, and they made some post for me. So this is my brand icon. So also here is the post. If I want to scheduling, and I can easily schedule from here. If you want to change your content, you can change here. So here is another post. So here it is, and all the images like this. If you want to post with your traffic and generate with some other images, definitely you can use this. I think this video is very helpful for social media automation. My request, please use marky for your social media automation and try it. I think this tool is very helpful, and that can help you your social media automation and save your time. And I think this is very good. If you think this video is very helpful, please hit the subscribe button, and please watch my other video for the digital marketing, social media marketing and affiliate marketing.